Hi guys, Matrix here, and today we're back with another video. And today we are back with another Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. So today I'm gonna teach you how to import a photo to Adobe Premiere Pro. To import a photo, you'll need to go here or file and import, which takes a lot of time. You can just go here, right click, import, and here you'll take a picture. And now, for example, I want to import the Facebook logo. So here you see I want to here, like literally here. So now, but if I want, wait, here
on all the
so
social.
here I want to put like all three logos at the same time. To do that, we need to go import again and then go to pictures, wherever you saved it, and Instagram. And again, you're not going to put it here, you're gonna put it on top. And then you go again, import, you go to pictures and find the Twitter logo. Here's Twitter and open. So here you put it on top and you will have all of them at the same time. You can just text me, and to fix these, since they are like Instagram and Twitter in one place, you're gonna need, wait, okay, you're gonna make it smaller and put it here, and then Twitter, and then Facebook. So like this. If you want to make them smaller, you can. And guys, thank you for watching. If you want any tutorial, any other tutorial, for example how to record or anything else. And don't forget, I also did a tutorial how to download Adobe Premiere Pro for free, which will be on the card on top now. You can just click on it or the link on the description. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.